Hello, welcome to my channel Slay Minds. Today we'll play Sudoku together. Now let's play. You may pause the video and draw a grid for 9 by 9 Sudoku as shown on the screen on a piece of paper. You can note down the given numbers and start playing with me. Now let's get started. Now the last row, in this row 3, 5, 9, 4, 6 are there, 1, 2, 7, 8 are missing. Okay, so let's see this cell. In this cell, we cannot give 2, 1, 7 cell this place. So we'll write 8 here. Now in this cell, 1, 7 are there in the same column. So we'll write 2 here. Now 1 and 7 are for these two places. Now let us take the 8th column. In this column, 4, 9, 7, 1, 2 are there. 3, 5, 6, 8 are missing. But 5, we cannot give place to 5, 6 in these two cells because 5 and 6 are in the same box. So we'll place 3 and 8 in these two cells. So 8 cannot come in this cell because 8 is there in the same row. So we'll place 3 here and 8 in this place. Now we'll place 5 and 6 in these two cells, but 5 we cannot place here because 5 is in the same row. So we'll place 6 here and 5 in this place. Now let us see the same box. In this box, 4 is missing. So 4 we cannot place in these three cells because 4 is in the same column. So we'll place 4 in this cell. Now let us take this box. In this box, 7, 2, 1, 5 are there. Now 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 are missing. But we cannot place 3, 8, 9 in these two cells because 3, 8, 9 are in the same column. So we'll place 4 and 6 in these two cells, but 4 we cannot place in this cell because 4 is in the same row. So we'll place 6 here and 4 in this cell. Now 3, 8, 9 are for these three cells, but we cannot place 9 and 8 in this cell because 9 and 8 are in the same column. So we'll place 3 here. Now in this column, we cannot place 7 in these two places because 7 is not in this column, but we cannot place 7 in these two cells because 7 is there in the same box, and we'll place 7 here. Now let us complete the third column. In this column, 2, 1, 3, 9, 7, 8 are there. 4, 5 and 6 are missing. So we cannot give place to 4 in these two cells as 4 are there in the same rows, and we'll place 4 here. Now let us complete these three cells. In these three cells, 7, 8, 9 and 4 are there. 5 and 6 are for these two places. So 1, 2, 3 are missing from these three cells. So 1 we cannot place in this cell because 1 is there in the same row, and 1 we cannot place in this cell as well. So we'll place 1 here, and 2 and 3 are for these two cells. So 3 we cannot place here. So we will place 2 here because 3 is there in the same row. So we'll place 3 here. Now let us complete this box. In this box, 4, 9, 3, 5, 7, 1 are there. 2, 6 and 8 are missing, but we cannot place 8 in these two cells because 8 is in the same row. So we'll place 8 here. And 2 and 6 are for these two boxes, but we cannot place 6 here because 6 is in the same column. So we'll place 2 here and 6 in this. Now let us complete the sixth row. In this row, 8, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2 are there. So 5, 7 and 9 are missing, but we cannot place 7 and 9 because 7 and 9 are in the same box. So we'll place 5 here, and 7 and 9 are for these two cells. So we cannot place 9 in this cell because 9 is there in the same column. So we'll place 7 here and 9 in this cell. So let us complete this box. In this box, 7, 2, 9, 1, 4, 8, 3, 5 are there. Only 6 number is missing. So we'll place 6 here. Now let us complete the top row, the first row. In this row, 6, 7, 2, 1, 3, 4 are there. Only 5, 8 and 9 are missing. So we cannot place 9 and 8 and 9 in this cell because 8 and 9 are in the same column. So we'll place 5 here. And we cannot place 8 in this cell because 8 is there in the same column. So we'll place 9 here and we'll place 8 here. Now let us complete this box. 3, 4, 9, 5, 7, 6 are there. 1, 2, 8 are missing. But we cannot place 2 and 8 in this cell because 2 and 8 are in the same column. So we'll place 1 here. Now we'll place 2 and 8 in these two cells, but 2 we cannot place in this cell because 2 is there in the same row. So we'll place 8 here and 2 in this cell. Now let us complete the first box. In this box, 6, 7, 2, 4, 1, 5, 3 are there. Only 8 and 9 are missing. But we cannot place 8 in this cell because 8 is in the same row. So we'll place 9 here and 8 in this cell. Now let us complete the third row. In this row, 5, 8, 3, 2, 6, 1 are there. 4, 7 and 9 are missing. But we cannot place 7 and 9 in this cell because 7 and 9 are in the same column. So we'll place here. And yeah, here. Now 7 and 9 are supposed to be for these two cells. But we cannot place 9 in this cell because 9 is there in the same column. So we'll place 7 here and 9 in this cell. Now, let us complete this box. 8, 5, 1, 2, 9, 4, 7 are there. 3 and 6 are missing. So, we cannot place 3 in this cell because 3 is there in the same column. So, we'll place 6 here and 3 in this place. Now, let us complete the middle column, that is the fifth column. So, that is 5, 6, 4, 1, 3, 7, 8, 9 are there. Only 2 number is missing. So, we'll place 2 here. Let us complete the center box. In this box, 1, 3, 4, 7, 9 are there. 2, 5, 6, 8 are missing. But we cannot give place to 2 in these two cells because 2 is in the same column. And 2 we cannot place here also because 2 is in the same row. So, we'll place 2 here. Now, 5, 6, 8 are missing. So, 6 we cannot place in these two cells because 6 are in the same row. So, we'll place 6 here. And 5 and 8 are for these two cells, but we cannot place 8 in this cell because 8 is there in the same column. So, we'll place 5 and we'll place 8 here. So, let us complete the sixth column. 1, 3, 7, 8, 2, 9, 6, 4 are there. Only 5 number is missing. So, we'll place 5 here. Now, let us complete this middle box. In this box, 2, 8, 9, 6, 5, 4 are there. So, 1, 3 and 7 are missing. But we cannot give place to 3 and 7 in this cell because they are in the same row. So, we'll write place 1 here. Now, let us, now these two cells are for 3 and 7. But we cannot place 3 here because 3 is there in the same row. So, we'll place 7 here and 3 here. Now, let us complete the last row. In this row, 7 and 9 are there. So, we'll write only 1. Now, let us complete this box. In this box, 8, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 6 are there. Only 7 and 9 numbers are missing. So, we have to give place to 7 and 9 to these two places. But we cannot write 9 in this cell because 9 is there in the same row. So, we'll write 7 and we'll give this cell to 9. Now, let us complete this box. In this box, 9, 7, 3, 5, 8 are there. 1, 2, 4, 6 are missing. We cannot give 2 to these two cells because 2 is in the same row, and 2 we cannot give this place as well because 2 is in the same column. So, we'll give this cell to 2. Now, 1, 4, 6 are missing. So, 6 we cannot give these two cells because 6 is they're in the same row. So, we'll give this cell to 6. Now, 1 and 4 are still missing. So, we cannot give this cell to 1 because 1 is there in the same column. So, we'll give this place to 4 and this place to 1. Okay. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed playing Sudoku with me. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Tomorrow we will come up again with a new video and new Sudoku. Thank you.